morning! Coldplay day today! I used to roll the dice. Okay, we are now ready. So, ganito muna yung outfit ko kasi yung suot ko sparkly and I have my bag here na laman yung mga kailangan ko. Hintayin ko lang dumating yung driver natin sa baba. And then, we're going to Bangkok! Niisip ko kung magdadala ba ako ng unan. Kasi every time pupunta ako ng Bangkok, kailangan ko ng unan para matulog. Pero parang nakakahiya. Should I bring pillow? Yeah.
I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need...
So nag-aantay na lang ako dito sa labas ng stadium kasi wala pa sila Kazi and Micah, her best friend. So pa-cute muna ako nito. Also bumili ako ng gamot kasi dysmenorrhea ako at sumasakit ng ulo ko. Praying sana hindi magsumpong. So I'm now here inside the stadium. Ay, hindi pa pala sa stadium. Ayun pala yung stadium. Pero actually hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. But sinusundan ko lang yung mga tao. And sila Lexi, hindi ko din alam kung asan pa sila. Asan na sila dahil nagki-claim pa sila ng ticket. So wish me luck. Wish me luck. Guys! Sa wakas! So this is my cousin. And
I'm the second cousin.
Okay, go! Yes.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine, living life with the news and in my mind, all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. No filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter.
Pwede tayo papasok. Yes. Thank you. Yay! Happy time. All right, hands. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, how do I put this? Thank you. Siyempre din ako.
Wala bang yellow?
Anong maganda?
Wala bang yellow? Red na lang.
Pink.
Isa lang pwede.
Tinagalog mo, Sizi.
Can I get 2? Oh, yes. Okay. How about 3? Yeah.
Kapon ka! Ano ba? Ang dami na. Yay! Yay! Ang comedy nun, sis. Ano ba yan? yung baon natin dyan?
Meron akong nuggets dito. 6 pieces. Peach mango po. Willing to wait. Ma'am, pavoid. Ay, sa Jollibee pala yun.
Ano ba yan? Kala, suot ko na yung totoo kong outfit. Parang Disney to. Parang iba yung napuntahan namin. Okay, okay. I can show you the
tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh.
Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. Nobody said it was easy. Oh, it's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. Let's go. Oh, let's move back to the stars.
mali! It's the
Oh my gosh, yes.
higher power.
So, ano ang better version? Philippines or Thailand?
I can confirm Thailand. Kahit Philippines ako. Philippines ako!
Ikaw na pala yung country, B.
Thailand!
Dito kasi sa Thailand, dito kasi sa amin may pa-fire.
Saka may hologram. Actually, kinausap yung president. Uy!
Walang president dito, B.
Mali.
King! King!
A king.
Yeah, monarch. Yeah. Yung pagod ko, di ko na kaya. So this is my face after the show. Fresh pa din. Charas. And I got the VIP package. Na ang laman ay charas. Concert buddies! Bye-bye!